Hey YouTube! In today's video, we're going to be doing a little bit of girl chatting. And I am going to show y'all how I do my infamous bun that all the girlies are wearing nowadays. The slick back bun. Yes, that's what we're doing. It's an easy get up and go style. Before we get into this video, I need y'all to pause this video, subscribe to my channel, like this video, because your girl only got 300 and so subscribers. I had this channel since I believe 2019 and 300 and something subscribers. Yeah, girl, no, we need to get it up. We need to get it up. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. I am starting out with freshly washed hair. These are the products that you are going to need. An edge brush. I use 2 edge brushes because they are different to me for some reason. I don't know. A regular brush, edge control. This is the edge control that I use. It's called Red One. Once I had started using this, I ain't never go back. I don't even know what I was using before I started using this. I just know I've been using this. This is how it looks in the inside. It's not too thick, it's not too soft. It's like just right. Oh, and you're going to need a comb. And you're only gonna need a comb just to part the middle, and I take all of my baby hairs out. So now I am going to take my edge control and put around the perimeter of my hair without touching my baby hairs. And I do this just to keep my baby hairs from getting in the way. I also put it around my part. And this is how it should look. You see how my baby hairs is back and out of the way. Then I'm gonna take my comb it back. Shut the shit down on sight. That's right. Okay, and then I take one of these. I don't use rubber bands because rubber bands tear your hair. You can get these from like Dollar Tree, Target, Walmart. Then once I have it like this, I just take some more edge control. And then I just put like my fingers together like this, and then I just rub it all around my head. And I know I told y'all I was gonna be talking to y'all, but this is new for me. But like I told y'all at the beginning of this video, I had this channel since 2019, I think since 2019, and I'm so inconsistent with it that like I'll post videos and I think I'm gonna be consistent, and then I don't be consistent. Then I'll post a video thinking I'm gonna be consistent and I don't be consistent. But I don't know what's gonna make this go around different, but I'm gonna try to be different and be consistent. I'm not sure what happened to the sound, but all we're going to do is just take the end of our hair, twist it, and then start to twist it around in a bun. Add your scrunchie, not your rubber band, but a scrunchie. And this is how it turns out. Now for the baby hairs. Again, I don't know what happened to the sound, y'all.